आ तो रहा है क्योंकि शूट तो किया है हमने सो वो इतना ही अमेजिंग ट्रैक शुरू हुआ है ना. प्रकाश सर इज जस्ट अ जीनियस आई फील. दैट इज सच अ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन.
क्योंकि आपने आश्रम की बात की
जी.
मैं पूछना चाहूंगी आश्रम सीजन 4 कब आ रहा है?
वेल आ तो रहा है क्योंकि शूट तो किया है हमने. सो लाइक आई सेड मम्मी अभी बड़ी हो रही है, जल्दी जल्दी शूट करो, आप ही बोल दो लोगों को प्लीज. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे आर टेकिंग सो लॉन्ग, बट कहानी इतनी अद्भुत हो गई है आफ्टर अ पॉइंट. अपने लास्ट देखा होगा वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ट्रेलर टाइप जो आया था, टीजर टाइप आया था जहाँ पे पम्मी की शादी हो रही है या क्या हो रहा है पता नहीं है. वो इतना ही अमेजिंग ट्रैक शुरू हुआ है ना. प्रकाश सर इज जस्ट अ जीनियस आई फील. एंड आई थिंक after such a huge success of the story, why are they not releasing the fourth season? I don't understand.
I remember Amazon के वाले दिन छोटा सा क्लिप दिखाया गया था. Amazon doesn't sleep announcement था.
Yes,
उस दिन I was there and you were also there.
I was also there, right?
So वहाँ पे छोटा सा क्लिप दिखाया गया था.
Yes.
Excited?
I'm very excited because you know that is my most favorite part. अब पम्मी innocent थी, फिर पम्मी vulnerable थी. आप देखोगे कि कहानी पम्मी की ही है, मतलब उसके absence में उसका presence रहा है हमेशा से. तो I want to show the world what happens to mummy, what happens to this strong girl, and how eventually you know somebody who decides something now, honestly, like especially a woman, if you decide that this is what I want to do, this is where I want to go, the whole universe will support you. And I think this is what happens with Pammi also. So मुझे ऐसा लगा, और मेरे लिए ना honestly सारे किरदार ना सच हो जाते हैं. Like Bhumi became, for me, she became real because I have seen such women in the society. So then it connects with those characters because it goes in such depth. And I'm very lucky and fortunate that I got an opportunity to work with initially with Nishikant Kamath, then Imtiaz sir, started with Makarand Deshpande, and Prakash sir, and now I've done a couple of scripts which will be coming out soon. And in this South film, it's such a wonderful
all such big
journey.
Directors, right?
Yes, yeah.
But how was the process? You know, how is the process, and how did you feel कि यार ये डायरेक्टर का ये थॉट प्रोसेस अलग है, ये डायरेक्टर का, ऑल ऑफ योर डायरेक्टर्स की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो सबका थॉट प्रोसेस क्या रहता है? एंड तो सबसे ज्यादा मजा आपको किसके साथ आया?
That is such a tricky question. But yeah, I think Imtiaz sir and Prakash sir, both veterans, of course. Like I can't tell you, मजा मतलब उनके साथ रहने में ही मजा आता है. Like just by being around them, honestly. And even Makarand sir, Makarand Deshpande, like what great minds, you know, these guys are. So उनसे आप ना उनके अनुभव से, उनके एक्सपीरियंस से आप वैसे ही सीखते रहते हो. So लोग बोलते हैं ना वो गुरुकुल वाला जो सिस्टम होता है पहले का, जहाँ पे आप सीखते रहते हो और वो सीखना कभी उसका कोई अंत नहीं है. इट्स लाइक एन ओशन. So you keep adding drops in the ocean and nothing will happen to the ocean, but you will keep gaining a lot in that process. So I think that's what happened. I would say you know, all these directors have been my favorite. With Makarand sir, different experience because started with childhood with him. And then as I grew up, then I met Nishi sir, then Imtiaz sir. And because OTT का क्या होता है, like she के seasons थे, right? मतलब 2 seasons थे. Initially there were going to be more seasons, पर अभी के लिए 2 seasons थे. So over a period of 2-3 years, you're in and out of उनके संपर्क में रहते हो आप, right? You keep meeting them and you keep discussing so many other things. So I think people say, like, you know, films and all. I love OTT. I think Kate Winslet is doing OTT, and so many people, since when we are watching Friends for so many years. Imagine. I don't know how many
people are watching it, you know.
Exactly, because you know the best part about OTT I feel is it stays. Like अगर मुझे कभी वापस revisit करना है, किसी को भी US में भी बोलना है, I've done this thing, watch She on Netflix maybe. He can just open the app and watch it. No, it doesn't have to come. अभी ये Star, I mean, it's a great thing that it's a film and it's released and all. But third week now, after third week, I don't know now, it will go out of the theaters, right? वो अलग मजा है बड़े पर्दे पे देखने का 170 mm.